Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Guys, I'm gonna do a top knot bun for you with Faux Bang, but I'm gonna put a little twist in the bun. And guess what, guys, I'm doing this on a natural hair. A few times I've had persons commenting that I should do a updo with a natural hair, so finally I get to, but I'm still gonna add something to it. As you know, I'm always creating a little touch of different styles to the hairstyle, guys. I just love recreating. So I'm gonna put some stitch braids at the back and make her top knot bun at the top, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and you will see the full tutorial. One thing though, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And guys, remember, I upload every Sunday morning. Another thing, guys, you can also follow me on Instagram at iconic_fingers, on Facebook also, and on TikTok. Guys, I hardly use TikTok because there's so many platforms to post on, and trust me, it's so difficult to post on this one, that one, because you have to be making videos and pictures for each platform, because maybe you want your pics and your videos to look different. So most times I don't get to post on TikTok, but I still created the account, but I'll try to do it now and then. Anyway, guys, don't forget to leave your comment below and share the video and thumbs up the video. Guys, this part of the video was a little messed up because I was blocking the ring light and the camera and I didn't realize. But what I was doing was applying some small pieces of hair right up to where the scrunchie was to hide the weft of the hair under the ponytail. But guys, I'm hoping that you at least see a little of what I was doing.